Free Sunday Ticket from Verizon. In today's video, we are going to review how to get NFL Sunday Ticket for free with Verizon. So let's get started. You can get NFL Sunday Ticket free with Verizon by purchasing a new 5G phone and signing up for a new line on MyPlan, or by activating an eligible Verizon home internet plan like Fios 1 gig, Fios 2 gig, LTE Home Plus, or 5G Home Ultimate. Now, how can you do it for new or upgrading wireless customers? Buy a new 5G phone and sign up for a new line on a Verizon MyPlan. If you are an existing customer, bring your own phone or buy a new 5G phone and add a new line on MyPlan. For new or upgrading home internet customers, you can activate an eligible internet plan Fios 1 gig, Fios 2 gig, or LTE Home Plus or 5G Home Ultimate. How to redeem your offer? You have to sign into My Verizon using the link on their website and navigate to your offers. Here you will get wireless 5G Home Plus and LTE Home Plus customers. Select My Offers, and for Fios customer, go to the home page. Select the NFL Sunday Ticket redemption dial and click Claim Offer. Review and accept the Verizon terms and conditions. Once done, you can provide consent for Verizon to access your Google account. Add or select your Google account information if prompted and then select Continue. You will be redirected to YouTube to start watching. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.